Hey guys, Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, we are at the Ida auction house. We are doing a sneak peek walk around. So let's see what's out here. Lots of good little box lot stuff. Ooh, here's a nice little Imperial mower. Look at that. Look how wide the deck is. It's got to be like a 22-inch cut. Yep, 22-inch cut with this little bitty motor on there. Looks kind of interesting. Got a weed trimmer, a Craftsman. Man, it's hot out here today. Phew, I'm tired. Gotta sit down. Here we go. A little boxing lessons going on later. Got ourselves a 4,000 watt generator. Look at that. A rear tine rototiller. Does it have any name on it that you can read? Troy built. There we go. It is a Troy built. Got a electric works. There's a Cub Cadet and a John Deere tractor. Hey, while we're waiting for the auction, we'll play some pool. We'll do that. What's hidden inside there? Oh, I see. Nothing. Well, now we got a little yard machine. I've sold quite a few of these this year. This 500. So it said started with ether. So obviously it doesn't run on its own. But if you have some ether in your pocket, you can start that bad boy. Just keep spraying some ether in it. You'll mow around. What are these skag chutes here? They go on there. Shouldn't they be on a lawnmower? They look pretty good. Looking pretty good. Got some chainsaws, another rototiller. Chore master. Hey, did you do your chores today? 1, 2, 3, 4 chainsaws. Home lights. And that Poulan Pro. Or some people call it Poland. Because you can keep pulling and pulling. Because it won't start. And then you got another home light, a blue one. Baby blue. Hey man, I remember using baby blue. Well, we can buy it again. What else we got in the line up here? Got a few mowers. Got the Craftsman, a Brute, a John Deere. Missing the top there. Somebody was monkeying with that one. Must have been Henry. A snapper. Now that ain't too bad. I like these old snappers, but is it missing the bag? Good luck finding that. And I think that has the kill switch. You gotta have the bag on there. A couple weed whips. Weed whackers. Weed trimmers. Yep, we got them all. So this John Deere 110 here has a Kohler command in it. Woo! Look at this. Signature Cut Series. The 159cc. This is the what, Honda clone engine? I believe it is. So, that's what we have there. Let's check out these bags behind here. See if any of them go with anything. See if we got that snapper bag. What is this one? No name on that one. There's a Toro, Troy built. This might be the snapper bag. That looks like a snapper bag. That is the snapper bag. Need to put the snapper bag with the snapper. How about that? That would help things out. Because you ain't going to find one of those bags. And if you do, find one that's going to be $1 million. So the snapper bag goes on there. And I don't see the John Deere set up for the bag. So it looks like they used it as a mulcher. But they tore it all apart. So where's all those pieces at? I don't know. I don't know. What else do we have down this way? Then we'll walk back the other way. The wide load seat right there. Lots of tools. You know, as much as people buy tools, and we have all kinds of gadgets for everything, and we sure do sell them. Or you just keep them forever. That looks like work right there. You guys know what that is? Hey, there's a boat motor. It's for a little boat. Look how little that boat motor is. Men working sign. You can put that down when you're not working and then open it up. I know, fellers, I jumped the line over here. I'm on the other side. I have to go back down that middle. Then we have some bicycles going on. Lots of good old bikes. Got a weed whacker hidden underneath there. A craftsman. Alright, let's see what we got going on here since I missed this row. Lots of good box lots. Some steaks. Cook those on the grill. Alright guys, so that is a sneak peek. And that is some good stuff here. That snapper is one that does interest me, in that Cub Cadet right there. Hey guys, thanks for watching this sneak peek for the Ida Auction House. This is Rich with Mowers and Blowers. We'll see you at the auction.